Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Ford Transit custom grille. Before starting, gather your essential tools. You will need a set of trim removal tools, a flathead screwdriver, and a socket wrench with various Torx bits, such as T25 and T30. Having a 10mm socket or wrench can also be helpful. Remember to use masking tape to protect your paintwork from accidental scratches during the process. Now, let's begin the removal process. First, open your vehicle's hood. You'll find several retaining screws along the top edge of the grille or bumper section. Use your Torx bits to carefully remove these fasteners. Some models may also have a few 10mm bolts. Gently pulling the bumper slightly forward can provide better access to the hidden clips. The grille is primarily secured by many clips around its edge. Insert your trim removal tool into the gap between the grille and the bumper. Carefully pry each clip one by one, starting from the top and moving to the sides. These clips can be quite tight, so apply steady, moderate force. Pay extra attention to the corner clips, as they are often the most challenging to release without damage. With all clips disengaged, the grille should now come free from the bumper. If you are installing a new grille, remember to transfer your Ford emblem, which is usually held by small push-on clips. For reinstallation, align the new grille's bottom clips into their corresponding holes first. Then, firmly press around the perimeter to ensure all clips snap securely into place, and reattach any screws.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.